Hi, and welcome back to this channel. Or if it's your first time here, welcome. I am Dennis, and I do videos about bullet journaling, and at some point other stuff, just haven't figured it out. If you can't tell by the title of this video, this is my bullet journal for August. So let's keep this super simple, which is how I did this whole journal, and let's get right into it. So we're going to start off like I do every month with my monthly calendar. The theme for this whole journal for this month has been my quick, easy, get it done, super dirty journal. It's very simple. There's a lot of mistakes, as you'll see I'll make, and I don't attempt to fix any of them. This is just something that I needed to get done for the month because I hadn't thought of a theme. But I also felt like not every journal needs to be 100% perfect. Not every spread needs to be perfect. It doesn't have to look perfect. And that's kind of what I really wanted to go back into, because this is how I used to do my journals before I started filming them. And I kind of wanted that feel back to it. So that's what I went ahead with. I have my normal calendar, and then Sunday through Saturday, labeled it out. And then on the left hand side, sorry, I put my reminders tab. Use one of my Tombro markers, kind of space out everything and give it a little bit more of a, not just a blank area. And that's basically the monthly spread. And then I went ahead and added the month, which this horrible header, I want to keep it because it's simple. I went ahead and started doing my habit tracker. I went through and did this nice little design. I basically did 1 square for each day. There's 31 days. So I did it in pairs of 16, and then I just canceled out the last square. But I went through and outlined it all. So after I finished doing all of the habit trackers, I went through and I only labeled the dates for one of them, just because they're all same, they're all in a line. It made it super simple, so I didn't have to go through and date them all. And then I added the name of each habit I am tracking, which are my normal ones I track every month. The only thing I changed, I add my shoulder exercises because I injured my shoulder and I somehow constantly forget to do my stretches every day. And then after the habit tracker, I went in and did my mood tracker, which I've been doing the last couple of months. I've actually found this very helpful. So I decided to keep it around this time. And this is another very simple design. I basically just did 4 columns of 7 days, and then I added the 29th, 30th, and 31st at the bottom, just because it didn't fit evenly into how this works. Yet again, doesn't have to be super nice. It has to have a function, and this serves this function very well. And I find it super helpful. And then I added my color codes at the bottom, and then I dated it all, and then I labeled it, and there you go. Quick, super easy mood tracker. So after the mood tracker, we get down into my weekly spreads, which again, I kept super simple. So I just did 15 squares out, leveled it up, separated the 4 sections. Boom, got my weekly spread. Went Sunday through Saturday, and then added my note section at the end. And then I added in my stamp for the month to highlight what week I am in. And boom, added my task reminder, my goals for the week, and there you got a weekly spread. There you have it. That's my journal for the month of August. If you really liked this or thought it was a great idea to go super simple, or if I should do more complex ones, let me know down in the comments. If you like it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see all my monthly bullet journals. And if I decide to ever post anything else, get those as well. But until next time, you guys, stay positive, stay happy. Enjoy the end of summer.